What's happening? Got another hard reset for you guys today. We're doing a Oukitel WP5. If you have one of these rugged phones, pretty cool phone, and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. This one's got some wear, as you can see. Just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the device. So everything important on there is going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. Excuse me. And as a reminder, if you guys could subscribe, we have a ton more hard resets and teardowns coming up. So if you want to see anything specific, drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. But we have a ton more devices lined up. But let's get into this one. So in this one, there's actually two different ways to get into recovery, but we'll do the proper way, which is this is your action button. And you have your volume up, volume down, and power. So you want to hold volume up and then your action button, and then hit power button and hold all three. And it should just take you right to the recovery. There it is. It took about, what, like 8 seconds or so? So then we use your volume buttons to scroll. Oh, I'm sorry. Volume up is to scroll, and then volume down to select. So we want to scroll to recovery and then hit volume down. You could get into the recovery by holding volume up or volume down in power, and it brings up the like the factory mode. And if you see clear MMC, I believe that's the memory. So you basically do a hard reset that way. It's just kind of funky. It doesn't really tell you what you're doing, but you can do it that way as well too. But if you get into this screen and that's your no command screen, to get out of this, you want into your actual recovery, you want to hold power. I can see power from here. Power, and then tap volume up. That gets you to your recovery. Then we use the volume buttons to scroll, and we want to scroll to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button to confirm, confirm again, and now it's deleting. All right, now we're there, now we're done, and we can either reboot or power off. In this case, I'm just going to power it off. And that is how you do a hard reset on a Oukitel WP5 rugged phone. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, drop a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.